Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper of Saturday. Yes, Saturday, February the 27th, 2021. It's actually Sunday, but I've decided to solve the other four puzzles. And the second puzzle is a two star Sudoku. And this will be number 2396. All right, and you can see this 26 printed digits. All right, for a two stars Sudoku. So let's get started. In this row, five missing numbers. Two of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 9. We have a 4 and a 9 in this big square, so no 4 and the 9 in these three boxes. The 4 and the 9 goes in those two boxes in this row, so we have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. All right, so what are the other three numbers? The 1 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 7 is missing. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. Alright. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above. The only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4, alright. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, only place for the 7 should be there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in these two boxes. Here 6, no 6 in those two boxes. One box left for the 6. Should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in those two boxes. One box left for the 3. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. Alright. Then, two. Yeah. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3, 8, 3, 8, 4. No, 3, 8, 6. Okay. Alright. In this column, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright. How about 5, 5. Yeah. 2, 1, 2. 2, 2. 1, 2. and a 6. Yes. 4 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 6, and the 7. And look, we have a 1, 2, and a 6 there. So no 1, 2, and a 6 in this box. So 1 digit left should be the 7. Alright. 1, 2, 6 are left. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 6. Alright. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We see there 7, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. Here 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7. Should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So that row, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. Only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 7. Alright, 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the number 6 and 2. 2 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 5 and 3. 5 and 3. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Right, then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2 are missing. Let me mark those. 1 and 2. 5, 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 3. Alright, 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here. Oh, there, we see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 1 number left in this column for the number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 1 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. 8 and 6, we have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 6 goes there. So we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here. Oh, there we see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 8. 1 and 8. We have an 8 now, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. Alright, now we have a 6 there, so this can be 6 anymore. This box should be a 6, and this should be a 2. Alright, 1 number left in this row for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. 1 number left in this first column for the number 1. Alright. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. This box should be a 1, and this should be a 2. Alright. 2 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. This should be a 9, and this should be a 2. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about these 2 numbers in this column? Also the 9 and the 2. 9 and the 2 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. The 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this box can't be a 9 anymore. This box should be a 9, and this should be a 6. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the number 6 and 3. We have a 6 there, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Alright, great. 2 stars Sudoku. I like this one. Yes. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last 2 puzzles, a tectonic one and a binary one. See you later. Bye bye for now.